G'day everybody. So I got this Rubik's Cube in the mail today. I figured I'd take a study break from the study that I'm doing and have a go at solving it and see if I can get it down in about a minute to a minute 30. So I got my timer set for a 5-second countdown to begin with. So when I start that, it's gonna go 5, 4, then beep on 3, 2, and 1, and then it starts recording. So I got 5 seconds to look at the cube, which is fair because I'm not moving anything on it. So alright, so starting that now. Got to pick which side I want to use. So yellow was in the best position. It already had something solved, so I picked yellow to start with. Alright. So off to an okay start. Not that great. Just positioning my first 2 layers, which is the easy part, but it takes the longest. Okay, onto the final layer now. Wasted a bit of time there. Alright, getting close now. Alright, so that was 1 minute and 15 seconds. So not bad for first time. About halfway between the range of what I want to get of 1 minute to a minute 30. So I'll definitely be able to get it to under a minute. That was just first time using it, so I was just not used to like how sensitive it is. Felt like it was just gonna sort of all the pieces were gonna pop out there. So I'll post another video when I definitely get it down to underneath a minute. Hopefully in the range of 30 seconds to a minute somewhere. And yeah, so I'll post another video when I get that down.